Okay, now we move into inequalities in number line. Okay, in a number line, you should draw the number line which have either white circle here or black circle. Okay, white dot or black dot lah. Okay, now white dot here mean that number is exclude. Okay, the number is not involved. So you must use this one, left to the left or to the right, which is less than or greater than. But if a black dot here, that meaning that the number is include. Okay, and you must use symbol less than or equal with or greater than or equal with. Okay, okay, I will show you what I mean later. Now, for this four question, I will show you the left side first, then I will show you the right side. Okay, for this one, I will use my tools here, which is for first box at left side. P more than 3. Okay, P more than 3. Okay, what you need to do here for drawing a number line, to show it on a number line, you need to draw straight line. Okay, make sure you use ruler. Okay, then put arrow to the right and arrow to the left. Okay, now you got number 3 here. Number 3 here, you should put this one in the middle. Okay, now just now I said using white dot or black dot. Now the question here is more than. So more than here, which is only pointing to the right. So this one pointing to the right. If this one or this one, you need to use white circle. Okay, now we know for this question you must use white circles. So I will draw like this. Okay, for white circle just now, I will draw above number 3 here. Then I draw straight line to the right side only. Then I show arrow. So that is the answer for first question. P more than 3. Okay, now look at second question. 4 less than R. So 4 less than R. Okay, first what I need to do here is draw straight line. Draw straight line. Now look at the value. Value here is 4. What I need to do here is to put in the middle 4. Number 4. So look at this symbol, which is to the left only. So if to the left only, this one, you must use white circle. Okay, use white circle to draw white circle at above 4, then line and arrow pointing to the left. So that is your answer. Okay, this one is for, okay, this one don't have a line, this one don't have line, that's why you use white circle, and this one also don't have a line, that's why you use white circle. Okay, for your answer, just this is this one. Put in a box. Draw it in your box just now. Okay, now look at the other two question. Okay, for other two question, can see this one z more than or equal with 3 over 2. Okay, again you need to draw straight line here. You need to draw a number line first. Okay, draw number line first. Make sure use ruler. Okay, arrow pointing to the right and arrow pointing to the left. Now number here 3 over 2, just copy that one and put in a middle. Okay, now more than or equal with. Okay, more than or equal with. Okay, this symbol. This symbol need to do black dot. Okay, black dot here is this one. Symbol to the right and have a line at below it. Okay. Now I have to use black dotted. I will put circle here in the middle and draw this one as black circle. Then put it to the right. So you will get your third answer is like this. And last one, B less than or equal with 10. Okay, again draw number line, then put the number here in the middle. Okay, this one less than or equal with, which is you need to use less than or equal with. Okay, this one you need to use this one symbol is using black dot. Okay, if black dot, you need to use, okay, double arrow pointing to the left, which have a line below. You need to use black dot. Okay, black dot, color that one, black dot, then color that one, and make it pointing to the left side. So this means B less than or equal with 10. So this one, it can be either 7, can be either 6, can be 5, no matter what. Okay, but for this one, it can be go to 4, 5 over 6, okay, and so on. Okay, now, okay, now I will erase this one. Okay, wait. Okay, if you done like this, then this is your final answer. Okay, draw this one in this paper. Okay, how you can form a number line based on the statement. Okay, for this one you need to recognize first the keyword. Okay, look at first example. Joe can run 100 meter less than 20 seconds. Okay, keyword here is less than. So less than is arrow pointing to the left. Now, Joe can run 100 meter less than 20 seconds. If you just take a guess, less than 20 seconds is something like 19, 18, 17, 16, and so on. So But do you know what time that Joe can run for 100 meter? Okay, you did not know. So if you did not know, assume this one as X. X. Then the symbol here is pointing to the left and 20 second. So for number line, you can draw like this. Okay, first draw straight line, arrow to the right and arrow to the left. Then put number 20 in the middle. Okay, this one is less than. Okay, if less than, use a white circle. Okay, anything that goes to the left is become smaller, number becomes smaller, and anything that goes to the right will become larger. So this one, if I write this one 21, so is it just like we guessed just now, 19, 18, 17? No. How about if goes to the left, 19 here? Yes, so this one is something like this. So the arrow should be here. Okay. The arrow here should pointing to the left side. So your answer should be like this, but without this one. Without this one. Okay, without that one. Just put 20 in the middle only. Okay, now take a look at second example. Minimum age to enter theme park is 12 years old. So the keyword here is minimum. So minimum here is mean by the greater than or equal. Okay, greater than or equal. So if I put here greater than or equal. Okay, greater than or equal. So minimum age to enter theme park is 12. So if I take a guess, you can enter theme park if you only 13, 14 and above. So it can be any value. So any value here you can put X, which is above than 12. So X is more than or equal with 12. Okay, now if you draw number line, okay, again number line here, then put 12 in the middle. Now you see here is more than or equal. Okay, if more than or equal, you need to put black dot. So again, this one can be either 13, 14, 15 and so on. So numbers will be go to the right or to the left. It will goes to the right because it will become bigger. The number will become bigger. So here arrow pointing to the right. So this is answer for question number 2. Okay, question number 3. Students should get marks higher than 90 marks to get an award. So the keyword here is higher. Okay, higher means arrow pointing to the right. So arrow pointing to the right. Now, higher than 99 is something 91, like 91, 92, 93 and so on. So it can be any value, then you can put this one X. X higher than 90. So I will put 90 here. Okay. Now the number line should be like this. Okay. Put 90 in the middle. Then, okay, this one is higher than, which is no line like this, no line below this one. So you need to use white circle. Okay, this one can be 91, 92, 93, and so on, which is higher than 90, so it will arrow become to the right. And last one here, Ali's mother allow him to play games but should not more than 2 hours. So the keyword here is not more than. Okay, keyword here is not more than. So if not more than, the symbol should be less than or equal with. So I can write here. Now, not more than 2 hours. It can be it can be 1 hour 30 minutes, 1 hours or 30 minutes or 50 minutes, something like that. So value can be anything. So you just put x here. X is less than or equal with 2 hours. 2 hours you should put here. Then the number line should be like this, to the right, to the left. Okay, wait. Then I will put 2 in the middle, and this one have a line below the arrow, then it should be dotted line which in black, and it will go to the left. Okay, okay, set. So that's all how you can write the number line based on the statement. First what you need to do here is to determine the keyword. If you after you determine the keyword, you can write its inequality, which is this one. Then after you determine its inequality, you can draw a number line based on these inequalities.